Welcome to the NA350 Network Automation 2019.X Advanced Instructor-Led Training Course Preview. The NA350 2019-05 ILT course is an advanced course on NA software and is of 4 days duration. It uses NA version 2019.05 in the lab environment. It consists of 10 modules. This course is designed for network management tool support, application developers, and network automation consultants. All the modules include hands-on lab exercises, and the lab environment contains the NA350 2019.05 version software. This course provides a comprehensive and wide-ranging look at the NA task. You will get an opportunity to implement the multi-server network automation, also termed as NA configuration, to achieve resilience and scalability. You will learn how to use the API or SOAP interfaces to achieve rich integrations with the third-party or in-house software. You will also create reports extracting information from the NA database directly or using the APIs. Also, you will build custom device drivers. You will also learn how to implement integration to Network Node Manager I, also termed as NNMi, and operations orchestration. This 4 days instructor led course will provide detailed information about specific areas of interest and demonstrate functionalities of NA. All the PowerPoint slides shown in the class with accompanying detailed notes are provided in the form of a student guide during the class. During the class, you have access to a virtual lab environment with a base NA implementation. Various hands-on exercises will help you to get acquainted with different aspects of NA product. You can find the link for any course in the description. Click the MicroFocus software education link in the description of this video to enroll or contact your software education customer service representative to learn more about additional MicroFocus software training offerings.